Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and any app data to the cloud or a computer. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruption. Remove the SIM or micro SD if you prefer. Next, power the phone fully off. You will enter recovery by pressing and holding volume up and power together until the Vivo logo appears. Hold briefly, then release. This gets you to the recovery menu where the reset options live. You navigate the recovery options with volume keys and select using power, highlight wipe data or factory reset to begin. Once selected, you must confirm, choose yes to proceed. This erases user data and restores system defaults. Make sure you understand this removes local accounts and app data, not necessarily SIM content. The process may take a few minutes. Let it finish without interrupting power. When the wipe completes, the menu returns, and you will choose Reboot System Now to restart into a clean setup. You finish by going through the initial Android setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google and Vivo accounts, and restore backups if available. If the phone fails to boot or returns to recovery, repeat the recovery wipe once more. Sometimes performing the reset twice clears residual issues. Make sure to try a different charger or cable if it won't power on. If factory reset protection triggers, you will need the original Google account credentials or contact Vivo.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.